You can do it. We figured this one would just stay here at the house. So when you want to watch him.
Thank you. Oh. Oh, what is it?
I feel like you're the only one that understands my only problem right now.
What? Watch. Watch, give me. Watch. Nope, this motherfucker's going home.
We already got one.
I don't think you can press it hard enough for it to pop.
I don't think you can either.
Maybe you can make stuff so good.
You can't make presents. Mom, what is this? That's mine.
Yeah, take them over there.
Here, come here. Hold this.
What are you doing?
Let's go this way with it.
What's wrong with it?
What are you doing?
Let him do it. He's a preoccupied.
Yeah, that toilet's home.
Milo,
Sorry.
come here.
We already got one.
Come here,
Right
Milo.
up here.
Come here. Milo, come here. Milo!
Come on. Come here. Right
There's
here.
a little red box.
Sit.
Right now.
Sit.
Like this big.
Hop uppers.
Blue shiny. That one, that's yours.
Here, make sure.
You wrapped yourself.
Here, come this way with it.
Oh, he doesn't like ours, but he likes hers. Okay, go that way.
Yeah, sit down. You can start opening his presents.
We can't work.
Amber. Amber. What are you doing, bro?
Come on, you know he's got to make this chaotic. If it's not chaotic, it's not normal.
Yeah.
Nice, nice thong shot, Abrina. Serious. I mean, Santa doesn't wear thongs.